The things you should know in the kitchen. Hello, welcome back to my Easy Talk Corner. Now I am going to share kitchen tips. Before I share, please like and subscribe. Pot. Saucepan. Frying pan. Pan opener. Bottle opener. Gouring pad. Blender. Coffee maker. Toaster. Microwave oven. Oven. Cutting board. Rolling pin. Tea kettle. Pot holder.